So what we are discussing today? So we are discussing today about branching. What is branching? So what is branching? Yeah. Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with you have to duplicate the project. With you have to duplicate the project. What is that? Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with you have to duplicate the project. Duplicate the project, right? So for example, here, so here you see what is the branch? So what is the branch we have? Main branch, right? So if you click the branches, right? So you have only one branch. You want to create another branch. What is branching? Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with you have a duplicate the project. Duplicate the project. For example, new branch. What is the branch? Future or if you do future 1, 2, 3. So whatever the code is there in the main branch, right? The same code will be copied to the new branch. Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code, separate working copy of code with you have a duplicate project. So if you click this here, you see. So how many branches you have? Now you have two branches. One is future branch, other one is main branch. You see, the future branch also having the same code. Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with you have a duplicate the projects. So right, this is the feature 1, 2, 3. So I want to download the future 1, 2, 3 code. Right? How you can download? You can download it from here. Here you can download it from here. Copy and download. Copy and download. For example, I'm moving it to our Git branch. Git branch. Yes. Hyphen get branch hyphen a. It's so you see main branch and only main branch it is not showing. Git pull. Yeah, if you pull the git, it see a new branch 1, 2, 3 is created. Now check git branch hyphen a. Now you see future 1, 2, 3 is created. Future 1, 2, 3 is created. How to? So here. Now you understood how to create the branch. Now you understood how to create the branch in
Yes.
a remote repository. How to create the branch in remote repository. Sorry, I'm writing. Okay. So what is branching? Allows you to create a separate working copy of your code with the you have to duplicate the project. You have to duplicate the project. So now you understood how to create the branch, how to create the branch in the remote repository where GitHub. Okay. Now you understood how to create the branch in the remote repository, right? Yeah. So what is this? Yeah. So git branch name. This command is used to create the new branch in our local Git repository. So I want to create a, now you understood how to create a branch in the remote repository. Now I want to see the branch in the local repository. How you can see it? So, so git branch. So we already executed the command, right? Git branch. So if you execute the git branch command, git branch, where we executed? Hmm. Git branch hyphen a. So if you use the git branch, it will list the only the local branches. So git branch hyphen a, it will list the remote branches as well as local branches as well as remote branches also. As well as remote branches also. So we can use code dot. What is that? So code dot. So in the code dot, yeah, in the code dot, you see. So you are in the which branch? Main branch. You are in the which branch here also? You can execute the commands. You can execute the commands. Git branch. It will list only git branch hyphen a. It will list only local branches. It will list local and remote branches. So you are in the which branch? Here it is showing git main. If you click here, it will show the you see future branch and future 1 2 3 and origin main, right? It will show here also. So if you want to create a new branch, here also we can create the new branch. Yes. Okay, I will show you here and I will show you here also how you can create the branches. Okay, yeah, the commands. So it will list down the local branches that you have created. It will list down the grid branch hyphen a. It will list down the all the branches, that is local branches, remote branches that are available for the checkout. Okay, git branch hyphen d name. So what is that? If you want to create a branch, so to see the list of the branches, list down the all the local branches, you can use git branch and git branch hyphen a. So you want to create a branch. How you can create the branch? This command is used to create the new branch in our local git repository. What is that? What is the command? To see the list of. So what is that? To see the list of branches, right? Git branch. What is that? Git branch and git branch hyphen a. Git branch. Okay. So to see the list of local branches. So what is the command? What is the command? Dhananjay, git just
Git
branch.
branch.
Yeah. Next, to see the list of local and remote branches. What is the command?
Git branch hyphen a.
Very good. Git branch hyphen. Yeah. Then to see the list of local branches and remote branches. So we'll use the git branch hyphen a. Sir, నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను. Okay, to see the list of local branches and remote branches. Next, to create to create a branch. To create a branch, how you can create the branch? Git branch name. What is the command? Git branch name. Okay, so Yeah. So what is that? So git branch hyphen a. So git branch hyphen d, I will tell you later. Git checkout. So what is the git checkout, guys? So what is a git checkout? What is a git checkout? Git checkout is nothing but a, so it is used to switch between local git branches. What is that? It is used to switch between local git branches. What is that command? So if you want to switch from one branch to another branch, what is that? It is used to switch switch from one branch to another branch. Switch between from one branch to another branch. What is the command, guys? Git checkout branch name. Git checkout branch name. Right. Next, so if you want to switch from one branch to another branch, so if you want, it is used to switch from one branch to another branch, and to create a branch and also switch to that branch. So I'm using this branch. This is the for creating the branch and switching the branch by using these two commands. I want to create a branch and we can switch automatically. So using one command. What is that? To create a branch and also switch switch to that switch to that newly created branch. What is the command? The command is git checkout hyphen b branch name. What is that? Git checkout hyphen b branch name. To create a branch and also switch to that newly created branch, you can use git checkout hyphen b branch name. So here to create a branch, you can use this command and switch the branch. So for this command, it will not switch automatically. It will not switch automatically. If you want to switch the branch, git checkout branch name. So I want to create a branch and also switch to that newly created branch. We have to use only one command instead of these two commands. Instead of these two commands. Understood?